Press.
Okay? The video needs to
Okay,
get her
go.
face. You need to get her face.
You want me to tell him to stop like there?
Just
Like,
leave it.
the whole thing?
Oh my god.
Thanks, Monica.
Oh my god.
Here you go. You want to do it?
No! No! No!
I've hit people's heads before.
Yeah, but I don't trust you.
Why don't you trust me? I'm a very kind and gentle human being.
It's me, Mama.
It's ridiculous. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're gonna go to Cafe Royale and
Yeah.
see that dude and you're gonna be like,
Oh,
oh, you
yeah.
inspired me. If I came to work with this kind of haircut, they would fire me.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm probably never gonna get a job like this. I never think about it. But they like
But you're a
photographer.
photographer.
Yeah.